Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a realistic look at the all-new Oppo A7 Pro. While this device is still a concept based on industry expectations, we're going to explore what Oppo could realistically offer if the smartphone becomes a reality. If you're looking for a stylish mid-range phone with a smooth display, reliable cameras, long battery life, and modern software, then stay with me until the end. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The Oppo A7 Pro features a slim body with a premium matte finish that feels comfortable in the hand. The flat frame gives it a modern appearance while reducing fingerprints. On the front, we have a large 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through apps feels smooth, animations are fluid, and gaming becomes much more enjoyable. With high brightness and vivid colors, watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or browsing social media looks sharp even outdoors. The punch-hole selfie camera keeps the display clean and immersive. Powering the Oppo A7 Pro is a capable MediaTek Dimensity 7300 class 5G processor paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. For everyday use, the phone feels fast and responsive. Opening applications, switching between multiple apps, and handling daily tasks is effortless. Even games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, and Mobile Legends run smoothly on medium to high graphics settings while maintaining stable performance. Whether you're a student, office worker, or casual gamer, the Oppo A7 Pro delivers the performance most users need. Now let's talk about the cameras. The phone could feature a 50-megapixel primary camera with AI image processing, supported by a secondary depth or ultra-wide camera depending on the final model. During daylight, photos appear detailed with natural colors and good dynamic range. Portrait mode produces pleasing background blur while keeping the subject sharp. Night mode helps brighten darker scenes and reduces image noise, making evening photography more usable. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera captures clear selfies with natural skin tones, making it ideal for video calls and social media. For video recording, users can expect up to 4K recording on the rear camera with electronic image stabilization for smoother footage. Battery life is another strong point. The Oppo A7 Pro is expected to include a 5,500 mAh battery, easily lasting an entire day of heavy usage. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, attending online classes, or browsing social media, battery anxiety should be minimal. When it's time to recharge, 80W SuperVOOC fast charging could take the battery from nearly empty to a high charge level in well under an hour, helping you spend more time using the phone and less time waiting. On the software side, the phone would likely run Android 16 with ColorOS 16. The interface is expected to offer smooth animations, useful customization options, privacy controls, split-screen multitasking, smart AI features, and an optimized user experience. Additional features may include in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, dual stereo speakers, 5G connectivity,
Wi-Fi chassis, Bluetooth 5.4,
USB Type-C, IP54 splash resistance, AI photo editing tools. These features would make the Oppo A7 Pro a well-rounded smartphone for everyday users. Overall, if Oppo launches the Oppo A7 Pro with specifications close to these expectations, it could become one of the strongest mid-range smartphones in its category. It combines a premium design, vibrant AMOLED display, capable performance, reliable cameras, excellent battery life, and fast charging into one attractive package. Remember, this video is based on realistic expectations and concept information, so official specifications may differ when Oppo announces the device. If you enjoyed this realistic concept review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone updates and future hands-on demonstrations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.